Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again, and we are going to continue our studies. We are working on the grade 7 interim assessment. If you're wondering what that 300 in the heart is about, this is our 300th video for our math series that we've been making. Technically, it's a little more than 300 because I have another channel, Daniel Robinson. But for this channel, it's number 300. So thank you for those of you who've been watching, and we'll keep making those videos for you so you can enjoy what we're doing. So we're working on the Spring 2001 assessment, so let's get into it. If you need help with your homework, there's Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, only in Peekskill on channel 15. And don't forget, I have a YouTube channel, as you are, I'm sure, watching. Check out our study videos we have. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peekskill Middle School. And write us, let us know how we're doing. This is our 300th video. Give us a comment. Let us know what we can do to improve. And I do write back. So tell your friends to subscribe to our channel so we can get over 1,000 subscribers. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21, The Pandemic. You can tweet me at drobmath1. All right, so here we go. Addison wants to ride her bicycle more than 80 miles this week. She already has ridden her bicycle 18 miles. Which inequality could be used to determine the mean number of miles, M, she needs to ride her bicycle each day for 6 more days to achieve her goal? So we got a nice multiple choice question here. I'm looking at the answer choices, and I notice it's not an equation. It is the inequality symbol that they're using. So let's underline some keywords here. So she wants to ride her bicycle more than. That's an important word when it comes down to inequalities. When you're talking more than, you're talking greater than or greater than or equal to. So either one of those symbols. So I'm already going to rule out 2 of my choices. So she wants to ride more than 80 miles this week. So I'm going to rule out choice A and choice B. Why? Because of the symbol. If you notice their symbol, it's the less than symbol. So I need more than 80 miles. So it's going to be greater than or greater than or equal to. And I'm even going to rule out the greater than or equal to, because if I notice my choice is going to be either C or D. And so it's more than, greater than. All right, so let's keep reading. So it's greater than, more than 80 miles. And if I were to write miles, I have to be greater than 80. So that's a good way of looking at it. So miles is going to be more than 80. So this week, she has already ridden her bicycle 18 miles. So that's good for her. So she has miles that she's got to ride, plus she has already ridden 18. That's good. And that's got to be greater than 80. So now I'm looking for plus 18 to put in the middle of this. Which one has plus 18? Well, this one has plus 18. This one has minus 18, so I'm tempted to get rid of that one. But let me keep reading just in case. So the inequality, which inequality you use to determine the mean, that's the average, so that means you'll be dividing something. Number of miles, called M. She needs to ride her bicycle each day. So each day for 6 more days. So that 6 more days will be 6 times the number of days, called M. And there's your 6M. So I'll just replace the miles with a 6M plus the 18 that you already written has got to be more than 80 miles. So that's why I'm going to choose choice C. So if you chose choice C, you're in good shape. So I hope you understood that. Let's keep going. Oh, what is the value of 3/7 times 0.1 divided by 5/21. We have a multiple choice again, and this looks like calculator work to me, so I'm going to get my calculator because you are allowed to use your calculator, and I'm going to type in my fraction 3/7 and move over, multiply by 0.1, and then divide by another fraction. And this is my TI-34 multi-view calculator. So if you're using a different calculator, the TI-30, just make sure you know how to use the ABC button. All right, so 5/21, and move over. So there's my question. Let me press enter to get the answer. My answer is 0.18. Now, wait a minute. I don't see that answer choice there. I see fractions. They're all fractions. The only closest one would be 18/1, but that'd be $18. This is 18 cents. So let me go back to my calculator and use that fraction to decimal button. So you might have to press second and press your fraction to decimal button, which takes your answer 0.18 and changes it from a fraction to a decimal, and there it is. So I get 18/100. And let's check our answers on that one. 18/100. I don't see that answer there. Well, maybe I have to reduce some more. So let me get back to my calculator. And this is the one thing I dislike about this calculator. It doesn't simplify like the other calculator does. So I'm going to press simplify, which will take the 18/100 and simplify it by dividing out to its lowest term. Lower term. It divided it by 2. A common factor was 2, so it divided both top and bottom numbers by 2, and I got 9/50. I see that there, but let me just make sure, because that could be a trick. So let me press simplify again and see if that's still in simplest form. And yes, it factored down, reduced down to 9/50, so the common factor was 1. So it cannot simplify anymore. So now I am definitely sure of myself. So I'm going to pick choice B. All right, so use your calculator to help you out.
Mr. Perry and Mr. Thomas, could you please call the office? Mr. Perry and Mr. Thomas, could you please call the office? Thank you.
All right, I hope they call the office. So we're at school making our video. So, and it's only apropos because 300 video because it's for my school students, and I'm here for you. So check your understanding. I hope you get it now. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, write down your questions, and bring them in. All right, here's my last question I'm planning on doing with you. Susan buys the items listed below at a grocery store. She's buying 2 packages of chicken priced at $12.36 per. That means each. Each package. So if she's buying 2 packages, I'm going to have to multiply that by $12.36 for the 2. She's also going to buy a half a pound of broccoli priced at $1.98 per pound. And again, we said per means each pound. Well, she's not buying a whole pound, she's buying a half a pound. So I'm going to take the 1/2 and see how much that's going to cost. $1.98, and that's half a pound. All right, what else is she going to do? She's getting a gallon of milk, 1 gallon of milk, priced at $3.49 per or each gallon. How many gallons is she buying? Just 1. So 1 times $3.49. So this is all she spent. All right, let's see what else they're saying here. There is no sales tax. So if you saw my sales tax video, you don't have to worry about it in this case on the food that she buys. So no tax on the food. That's good. So she pays for the item. So she's going to pay for this stuff and receives change of 80 cents. So 80 cents change. What is the amount? So what's the amount of money does Susan use to pay for these items? Show your work. All right, so she gets change, and that's important. And I'll put a little star over there to keep that in mind because she got money back after she paid for all of her groceries. Well, let me find out how much did her groceries cost. So I'm going to get my calculator, clear all this stuff out of there, and let me find out how much it costs. So she bought the chicken, two chicken or 2 packs of chicken cost $12.36 each. So I'm going to multiply that by 2 just to find out how much the chicken cost. Chicken cost $24.72. All right, let's go to the next item. She bought a half a pound of broccoli, and broccoli costs $1.98. So I'm going to get my fraction button here. 1/2 a pound, and that costs $1.98. So the full pound would cost $1.98, but she only bought half a pound. So that's 99 cents. 0.99 cents. And last thing she bought was 1 gallon of milk. Well, I don't need my calculator for that. That's $3.49. Let me add up her and find her total of how much she spent. So I want the total. So I'm going to add it all up. All the money she spent. So now I better get my calculator. So let's clear everything out. $24.72 plus 99 cents plus $3.49. Okay. She spent a total of $29.2. $29.2. And remember, they don't put a 0 at the end on the calculator, so you have to. So in other words, she spent $29.20. Now, they want to know what's the amount of money does she pay for the item. Well, she paid $29.20 is what she paid, but remember, they gave her some change back. So what amount of money does Susan use to pay for these items? Let me put that 80 cents back because here's the change that she had. It was 80 cents, 0.80. And I'm going to give them their change back, and that way they can give me the total money they gave back. So let me add one more time these two items. So the total that she spent plus the change she got back would come out to 30 cents, $30. That would be the total she gave. So, so, so what is the amount of money does Susan pay for these items? She paid a total of $30, but they did give her back some money. So you would say she paid $29.20, but she got change back, so she gave a total of $30. So I'll go with that. So she paid. So the amount of money that Susan used to pay. So she used $30 because she got back extra money, which was the change that they owed her from giving them too much money. That's why she got the 80 cents back. So $30 is what she got back. Okay, good question. It had a lot of work entailed there that we had to use our calculator. So make sure you use your calculator to help you out. You are allowed to use it. And this was a question from the state test. So good question. So I hope you get what's going on. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, write down your questions, and bring it in. I'll be glad to answer them in school. Also, if you need help with your homework, there's Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline. They're always available at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays from 4:30 to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cable Vision, only in Peekskill on Channel 15. Don't forget, I have YouTube study videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, or write us a comment. Let us know what we can do better to improve. Check out our latest release, Math Prep 21, PKMS, Math Prep 21. Good movie about the pandemic. Tweet us at drobmath1. Good luck on your test. I know you're going to do well because you've been watching my tutorial videos, so good luck. If you would like more information on this topic, please write me at drobinson@peekskillschools.org, and I'll be glad to send you some more information. So remember, this is our review for the grade 7 interim assessment. This is my 300 video, my anniversary, 300 videos, long time ago. So thank you for supporting my channel, and please write your comments and let me know how we're doing. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your day. That's it for me. Bye-bye.